one ain't يعني شنو ain't ده نفس الفورم بتاعت I am not the negative contraction of I am not ain't. So instead of saying I am not studying, you can say I ain't studying. بدل من انه تقول I am not studying تقول I ain't studying. And also instead of saying I don't have money, مثلا انت مفلس I don't have money, بتقول I ain't have money. So the second contraction is gotta, and gotta is the contraction of going to. So the example of this one is I've gotta go. I've gotta watch this wonderful video. And the next contraction is tryna. And tryna is the contraction of trying to. Say tryna, not trying to. Tryna, like I'm trying to finish this video. I'm trying to finish this book. Not I'm trying to finish this book. I'm trying to finish this book. I'm trying to eat this dish. I'm trying like this. Trying, not trying to. Say trying, not trying to, okay? So the next contraction is wanna. Wanna is contraction of want to. And this is a present simple which expresses the desire. وده present simple بعمل express لشنو للديزاير أو الرغبة. فأنت بتقول I want to go to the beach. مثلا. I want to go to the market. I want to buy a new car. So instead of saying I want to, you're gonna say I wanna buy a new car. I wanna buy a new motorcycle. I wanna buy a new phone. I wanna, not I want to, okay? And the next contraction is have to. And have to is a contraction of have to. So instead of saying have to, بدل من انك تقول have to وهو تقيل في النطق ذاته. And instead of saying have to, you can say have to. So instead of saying I have to lock the door, you can say I have to lock the door. Thanks so much.